So I'm at my favorite place, Target, of course, and I'm gonna do some Christmas shopping for the apartment, and I'm really excited because I love decorating. I so far have this candle that smells so good, and I feel like it can have that container year round, which is pretty. But they're only $5 up here. I'm not sure how much that one was, but they're really pretty. So I'll bring you guys along while I shop for decor, and then I'll post me setting it up. I'm getting these big fluffy pillows for our couch. Our ones right now are kind of small, and these are super soft and only 20 each. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm currently in the decor section, which is my favorite. And all the Christmas stuff is over here. I think I'm gonna get both of these because I can't decide, and they're really cute for the bathroom and for the kitchen. Getting this wreath is only $20. Here's the other options. I like how there's eucalyptus in it, and then I don't have a wreath hanger, so it's the only one I found. I wish it wasn't red, but it'll work for now. And I also am getting this hand soap. I mean this dish soap, because we need some and it matches, of course. I'm getting this little snack mix to have in the car, and I'm gonna get that pillow. I think it's really cute. And I think that's it for my little Target run, and I think I'm gonna head back to my apartment to set this up. So I just got back to my apartment with all of the new stuff that I just bought from Target, and I brought it all back in this suitcase because it's so much stuff. This is all the Christmas stuff. Over here is the stuff I got from Target that I have to set up. And I already put the 2 new pillows out. It's a mess in here, so we're gonna clean up this whole area. I just got a new knife set. I'm going to fill this bottle with olive oil and just show you like a time lapse of everything. So I'm taking a break from decorating and cleaning, but we're almost done, and I'll show you everything later finished. But I'm making dinner. Right now I have orange bell pepper, cauliflower broccoli, couscous on the stove. I'm gonna roast this and make a little salad veggie bowl. I added these. They're super cute. Yeah. So I just got some packages in the mail I want to unbox with you guys. I don't even know where this one is from. I know this is Merit Beauty and this is Drunk Elephant. So I'm gonna unbox them off camera because it's hard to do with one hand, and show you guys what I got. So Playa sent me a few of their products to try. This is a hair care brand. They sell it at Sephora. This is a hair oil, and this is a salt spray, and I think these are like mini hair masks. And then Merit Beauty, which I love, sent me 2 products. I think this is a brush and a lip oil. And then they sent this cute little like velvet, it's kind of like a little tote that you can put stuff in, tie the top. It's a cute little bag to go out with. Love that. And then Drunk Elephant has a new product, which is always my favorite thing ever. It's a retinol oil. I have no idea what this is though, and it's so heavy. So I'm gonna open this. It says Glowy Days. This is the A Glowy Retinol oil. I love retinol, I love oil. This is gonna be amazing. Let me open this real quick. These are so cute. I cannot wait to put these. I don't know if I wanna put them there or I have 2 candlesticks there, but I kinda like how that looks, so we'll see. I'll show you guys the full Christmas decor later, but these like look really good here, I feel like. I don't know with the 2 candlesticks, but how cute are these? And then like straight on, you kind of like can't see the yellow, which is gold. It's really cool. But yeah, I'm gonna have these forever. I love them. Daniel and I are at Cipriani, and we both got bellinis. Obsessed, they're the best ever. And we already ordered. I actually have a big gift card here from Drunk Elephant. So we're going ham on the menus tonight, and we ordered so much food. So I'll show you guys when we get it. Love.
So hard. It's not like you can...
Yeah, it's buffalo mozzarella. It's not burrata. That's why. Duh. It's so funny. Tuna tartare, baby artichokes, toast for the tuna, bread basket, made myself a little oil and vinegar. Wow, that looks so good. Those tomatoes. It's really loud in here, but I got like a bolognese pasta, extra on the side, love that. And Daniel got filet mignon with potatoes. It's not potatoes, they're onions. The famous Cipriani cake. It's my favorite dessert in the world. Oh my god, it looks so good. And these little complimentary cookies. Good morning, guys. So Daniel and I are having a day in Brooklyn thrift shopping. We're going to get breakfast at Ruby's first. This is my look. Jacket from Zara, sweatshirt from Lululemon, glasses from Vela, of course, little bag from Ego, and I'm just wearing black leggings. But we're gonna go eat and have a fun thrifting day in Brooklyn. I'm so excited. I'm off of work today. So we're gonna go do that and just have ourselves a day. I got the blue latte, which is butterfly pea. Looks so pretty. Daniel got a cold brew, of course. And we just ordered our food. This is what we got. I got like a passion fruit yogurt bowl. Daniel got avocado toast and crispy grains. And banana bread with passion fruit butter.
If you grab that ticket, grab it right out there.
Here we are. There's no filming in here, so gotta do it now. Oh my goodness. Hi, puppy. Hi, baby. Hi guys, so we went to a few vintage stores, but you're not allowed to film in there. I got 2 things. I got a pair of Levi's and this like, it's a jacket that looks like this, but it's like brown and like stripes. I'll show you guys later. But I'm at OK Dog, of course. Daniel's never had it, so I really want him to try it. Korean fried cheese, so good. But I think we're gonna maybe get dinner later and then meet up with some friends. Bridget, Danielle, her boyfriend Mitch. Shout out to you guys. And Daniel's over here, we're waiting for the cheese. So good.